Hey guys. Hey, we're hanging out here at the World War II show in Reading, Pennsylvania. Berks County, Pennsylvania. And we're gonna check out some history here, some cool vehicles, planes, and we're looking for my nephew. I don't know where he's at, just know he's somewhere running a 50 cal gun thingy majigger. Let's go find him and check out some history. Check out these trucks. Oh, that one's cool. I like this one right here. Sweet. Alright, check out this old baseball gear here. Look at those gloves. That's awesome. That's cool. Check out this shower. It's pretty cool. These goodies. They have a flea market here too, and tons of stands set up here. Pretty awesome. It's hard to see. Alright, there goes the P-51 Mustang taking off. Yeah. Lost it.
Side might have some bombs on it.
Yeah.
Painted on. Underneath they might have some. Oh, I think clouds. So I'm pretty sure it's like representative of like how many like runs it has, like missions.
Oh yeah. It's awesome. Get in here. Oh yeah, they do. Some bombs in there. Wow. That's awesome. Some of these rides. Woo. Cha-ching. So you can go on plane rides here. Pretty awesome.
Yeah, it looks like you sleep in this thing. It's a house.
Look how small this is. Talk about being claustrophobic. Phew. It's a double-seater. Look at that. Could you imagine being in there at thousands and thousands of feet up? Wow. Oh, this is a wooden propeller on this plane. That's cool. It's actually made in Lidditz, PA, which is really close to us. Awesome. That's those teeth you were talking about, Jane.
Funny that's on this because this is just a recon plane. Can't move. It's crazy.
We're underneath this plane here. That's where they would open it up and drop the bombs out.
Well, yeah.
Ugh. Don't hit your head. Gunner. Look at that gun. It's like a medic's Jeep. They probably would have had like morphine in that bottle, you know? Look at that. Wow. What is it?
CBs.
Oh yeah, this U.S. Navy CBs. Is that what it is? Oh wow, look at this. BMW.
I want to say Porsche made the magnets for the Panthers and stuff.
Oh really? That's awesome. Sidecar. You could go up to 120 max. 120 miles an hour. Wow.
Sidecar, that'd be crazy.
Yeah. Look, it's got a mount for a gun.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Check this out. We are heading out from the event, but I just wanted to show you a couple things. Oh! We're hanging out in the camp area. This is pretty awesome. It's really cool.
So that's a WC 50 series. Yeah, put that one with the top down. Yeah, that's what.
We're winding down here on our way out. Thanks for coming along with us. Enjoying some history here, World War II history. We enjoy checking this stuff out, sharing it with you. And next time we come, we're going to get some more video and check out some new stuff. So we'll see you next year.